special week beginning on Monday, the 15th day in the month of June 2020. Emphasis that Farmer Unyanko Tridianko, boss for Bassas here. I said, now, PRC. Na ye show crying, Saposo, na Mapa Munya, the Yoviano, and Didier said, Tridian for Dauma, BC. The Yan said, Unya Park, na Wamunya, Papa, Papa Mount, and the account. Tridian for them so, the Bishop of that transit, and Russell said, a little bit at the Silky at the April. Benjamin Rena, a lady, a tea and from Ghana. I will say, this week here, issues no at DOS, especially. The camp of the NPP, and we are coming there, and 168 constituencies are NPP, and members of parliament or so far, about 4 constituencies, and I be about one, Neman Sandia, India, Emma. But apart from that, almost 160 plus, and about one, so with 65 going on contested on a post. Our NPP in our mind Ghana. This week, young Omar, Ibinamre, na yeti, so I will Akashi, Yashe, the various constituencies said the dynamics now is the at so far I can tell you, sir, baby, any Amias of the constituency in the western North region, who didn't identify any alcohol. So, in a Shanti region, maybe say at the Siaska constituency, and then Pantima constituency. And she had no constituency also at the fire at the abroad. The other areas are sitting on the at the incumbent in the now yet to be at home about this week. Now, so we are live on Facebook and then on YouTube, Facebook at Mo TV, and then on Facebook at Sam Darkus TV. Overshare now one of our personal at me. I should not use no at the Binyamre, and I can kind at me at the amount. And that I said, NBC, I said, Joe now, NBC, let the other way and yes, moment of truth, no. Almost NPP 2016 manifesto, and NBC 5. We have no concern. Now, move manifesto, no, almost scrutinize it. Actually, what shall NPP say before the December 7th general election 2016? On Castle Mayama for. But the NDC, the Abanama say NPP was 631. Out of the 631, on by on 86 and NPP as a one. My percentage somewhere around there 14%. And the campaign promiser, according to the NDC, NPP, actually, according not yet the home and so His Excellency the President of the Republic. Another on the 11th time, and then for my Ghana 18 or more on the novel coronavirus COVID-19. Some of them are a Siano Ebe on the day say or Ghana, Omunia Dibia and Momano at Wapiti, Agbo Manu, to be a say, or no woman with me on my own to be better. Again, His Excellency, I say, wearing of face masks, and I say, nose masks, no. It's compulsory starting from today. With the Anopay, I go to Guma or monitor. Say, whoever comes to town, once you are leaving your home, I will say, face mask and also compulsory. We know through His Excellency, I say, sister schools, no, ye, tertiary institutions, final year students, and are reporting. Around, you say, yes, you are reporting, you know, so I'm reporting, and I hear, said, somewhere about 11 weeks deal, movie, almost me at home, sorry, movie on Apple, followed by the SHS and then that of the GHS, so ever process. My parents were kind of dorsal, but I say, I didn't want to buy air cost in cases, no, actually said we are doing more testing, and also so far as I speak with you, 11,964 confirmed cases at the Enya my Ghana. And then those that have recovered so far, 4,258 actually at home. Active cases 7,652 and affiliation deaths 54 so far. Sana is here now. Say go back Ashanti right now. Quite as SD doctor baako a wɔwɔ doctor Boateng no commission nya ne sɛ ɛsɛ yare no bi anya no don't know sɛ ofiri mu and then the president made it clear yesterday sɛ the Ghana's minister of health ɔkɔ tunamɛnu dɔma nurse bi dɔni wɔ hɔ yadeɛ sɛ yare no bi akyi no ɛdi awɔ no na papa ne sɛ wɔda yɛdi yɛrɛ hospital minister sɛ ɔgyina home ɔrɛsti ɛwɔ hɔ but ɛnna no amampani confirm yi sɛ honourable health minister onya COVID-19 and then wokɔ takwade a secondary takwade mɛrio yamɔfa yɛwɔ western yɛn ne bɔ paa KK Sam ɔno nso last 2 months or so wɔde to dwa sɛ ne driver ɛnyɛ yare yi ɔno nso yare bi akyi no ama ɔtɔna no ɛwɔ seɛ do a ɛnyɛ yi wokɔ secondary a mɛrio for secondary takwade wɔyɛ late KK Sam ɔtɔna no wɔ seɛ do COVID-19 ɛna ɛkɔ no tells you say yare no it is real if you don't take care ebia na one so akoti ebi kwa na wo de we mu na akoda no bi so boost your immune system by eating well and then have enough time to rest and also to be up ebi na bread na yet in common on COVID-19 the Electoral Commission of Ghana was sense to so e so na over the weekend and maame Jane Mensah EC chairperson e ko pie mu e wo GUC public forum of Canada we have about 1 million Ghanaians na yɛn wɔn wɔ Ghana wɔn twi wɔn info aba nneɛma firi still their names are being found on our voter register sɛ yɛn tumi yɛ yidi na nfiri mu a ɛmoa ɛno ka ho bi nti ɛna Electoral Commission ɛsɛ wɔn ɛbɛyɛ a new voter register and again wɔsɛ Ghana ɛkɔ bi a ɛsi a credible register ɛna wɔn bɛyɛ ɛtumi ɛde ama mi na ɔka sɛ the NDC the PNC, the UFP, and other political parties who are more region, you have region, are more campaigning against the compilation of the new voter register. No, you know, so out of it. Some of the talks from the say on the civil opinion rate, now yet to be heading on COVID-19, up to the mobility ban and right. I've been the Electoral Commission and NPP primaries. NDC, SC 86 out of 631 promised and what you my His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Rana on Ghana 80. This time around, it was on at least 8 p.m. night, saying that if you have signed the late mayor at the mass and the Takrade KK Sam, now the guests.
It is important for me to remind residents of the Greater Accra and Ashanti regions, where the great majority of cases have been recorded, and in the western and central regions, where we're seeing an increase in infection cases, to continue to adhere strictly to the social distancing and enhanced hygiene protocols announced. With the doctors and scientists telling us that the virus is transmitted from human contact through talking, singing, coughing, and sneezing, which results in sending droplets of the virus from one person to another. Residents of these 4 regions, and indeed all Ghanaians, must remember that the wearing of masks is now mandatory. Leaving our homes without a face mask or face covering on is an offense. The police have been instructed to enforce this directive, which is the subject of an executive instrument. Let me repeat, our survival is in our own hands. If we are lax and inattentive, we will continue to have serious challenges with the virus. If we are mindful and self-disciplined, we have it in us to defeat this pandemic and help return our lives to normalcy. I appeal to each and every one of you for your help in this regard. That is the surest way to realizing our collective vision of building a new Ghanaian civilization where the rule of law is not a slogan, but a directive principle of state development, where we deliver social and economic transformation that has a meaningful impact on the lives of all of our people, where a strong and vibrant economy creates jobs for the masses of our young people, and in the process, creates a society of opportunities and aspirations for all, where we are no longer pawns nor victims of the world order, and where the vision of our founding fathers of a free, progressive, and prosperous Ghana is attained. Let us together rise to the occasion and fulfill our common destiny. We can do it. Enuanom, efiri echineko, yema sukufo a woni ba bewie no, besan ko school, akotire won sohwe a etoato. University for bekochina. SHS 3, the SHS 2 go track 4 is beko ochana na wotwe. JS S3 for also beko na wotwe a ediso. Awu for teacher. Mi mamu nyina ti ase se. Nhihye a biara e wose yeye de boy man ho ban. Aban aye. Misramo eni yama enkoso indi nhihye a ediye bebo ye ho ban no eso. The
language now is stay home. If you have nothing doing, anything important doing, stay home. Stay away from your friends. Let us not talk too much, whereby the droplets will be coming out. Good people of Second Takrade. The language now is stay home. If you have nothing doing, anything important doing, stay home. Stay away from your friends. Let us not talk too much, whereby the droplets will be coming out. Good people of Second Takrade. The language now is stay home. If you have nothing doing, anything important doing, stay home. Stay away from your friends. Let us not talk too much, whereby the droplets will be coming out. Good people of Second Takrade. The language now is stay home. If you have nothing doing, anything important doing.
Yes, I'm here for Baba. Now, I'm fasted up and for Emma Mohis Herbal Center. Dr. Mohammed Issa Abiu was say, Yagibi Elbiano, Yamia Dunti, and was kind of Yamano, Nindio Yamano, with me a shake, no, I saw Yaria. If you are not with me, and it is 1 year, but in the take by with me a shake at the amount. Also, and now, Bema, for the boss one or Jim, with me, intimidation, I walk, and when I had Mohis Herbal Center, not with me. What your stroke over there, Mosano, and Motontia, Dr. Sebra, not with me and show. Put you, I'm master of Mia, Marseilla, and I will be Mohis Herbal Center. We see Juma, we say Mohis, taxi drivers no piano, and Mohis Herbal Center, or no, and I stress Miss Anso, and a Gosway's casket. Say, if not a car, now would you see this year in Yamu, and of course we it's me at home now, or the Amawona, we know. And then this I woman say, audition your free one, free say, we see you. A baby upon us as only now. Cost we ever facalina at the amount of bread whiskey now, or was passing we are with this kind of up to a year or jail. To say, bra, no more that can be all kind of piano so bad. A dark never come of free annual fee. Videos which are at the account, the Christians in the sound system run out, who need ya, prepared me heavy at the amount one so for Gosway casket, and I come for it me at the Amawa Sherison, say Gosway, Ewo Kumasi, Kumasi, and a Gosway, Ewo Kumasi, Liber runabout, and I was 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 from now Afi Omo Ejo so, and me, and I would so be a Goswasne. Also, let me acquire this year of film. Now, so I the guest actually say, Yako na Yamma Baba Navino, Yamma, and so. Chairman Inusa, same a Ashanti Regional Coordinator, HEFRA, and then communication team member for the MPP.
Sema Kenya. Yede nyame ase.
Certainly come.
Sema na me come hold the first.
We before the
Conversa me kasa wo de minya ka be me de pa ka bonya da na mehya no. Yede nyame ase.
Kuma what is it?
Kuma wo bibia da ho boko. Me say enene nan say you invade kun. And then just to make sure say you are 70 near bibia ni dada. Kuma wo de omu pegi. Yes, na me fa akonya wu so esre ye mpanyimfo se onwo oni emra ko election ni tie ebe ko smooth nemu omu ewo nchenchen pese onwo cause confusion ewo ko omu doso ito onwo oni emra ko na apart from service exactly ye di ebi kura ko rexec apart from that no say election no a court say na ye obia nim say election e wo say e koso bia Dr. Bano Dr. Yawano Obewin there's no way about it Obewin in city me say he will win the Kumawu seat.
There are people come up on NDP primaries, but yeah, if you have COVID-19 NRA His Excellency Sanika Nakasai Raman focus among food maybe more. This is we are close to 12,000 and in European schools. So universities for 9 years. And you're serious. And then His Excellency keep on telling us that you boost the immune system. It will control it our boost. And one is solution no to this problem now. And then compulsory run of face mask. And one no.
Sema midasi mami fa akunya wiso na minchia ye party pinifo awu asente mu ha enkankani chama muntumi oya die pa oya obia oya ni defom oya true politician ite minchia na on COVID-19 na sam in fact enemro papa I had to psychologically to be able to attend this particular program.
Wow.
Me and Madam Fupa, the medical director for Kwadaso Estate, who can say a program be with me claim. Now, or meaning a picture of a swimming pool. It's my very good friend. Me, Koye chairmanship bid our North East region of one. In fact, we have lost such a nice gentleman to the COVID.
Okay, so he died out of COVID-19.
Yes. He treated a patient of COVID, and then unfortunately, in the line of duty, got this disease, and then.
Right. We are discussing COVID-19 and I'm going to advertise.
president, the person of this the three I am looking at the listener. In real time, people will get to know your communities. But my prayer is that naturally our immune system and then also the weather, the country.
Those who are dying, we're medical doctor, already this and you also with me every after,
that's how it is. Yes. That's how COVID is. So I see, most especially, I think back what someone here one day you said, about 84% or more of Ghanaians are asymptomatic. Asymptomatic, they say, when they have the sickness, only the disease diarrhea. The thing it doesn't cough, baby. And only say, diarrhea will not cough. Originally, they say, one way is asymptomatic, he cannot transfer the disease. It turned out to be different. As we speak, we are asymptomatic. We are our way and we are really on. You see, one thing about pandemics is they don't do completely, but we are able to find out maybe you so one. Now you live life normal, but it doesn't mean say anything. We have pandemics nearby and that's what beds SARS. It's
but the question I want to take you guys know. So let's just focus. Those students and your more reports will be requested. It is now that the US of Ghana people that said you want to find a way of trying to test every worker, student or staff who US of Ghana. Can you have it?
Originally, Yanami said, to be honest with you, these are my personal view. Yanami said, before we come, like I have a test results in back, then we allow them to go. Those who don't have the disease, then we allow them to report. Those who have the disease, then we isolate them and treat. What was here? Originally, Sananan might be happen. But once it hasn't happened that way, I'm sure say only or medical experts behind are advising on that team to
they advise
health experts.
They advise him and will be locked down and I figure not for they advise him.
It's the one thing about
because he is the restrictions and just within a day we got more than 300 cases.
You see, I'm not for anyone to say what we are doing in Ghana, most countries, we are doing aggressive contact tracing and testing and testing and treating. So when we test, we will trace you, we will test you, and we will treat.
We had less than I think less than 3,000. Ghana president, I can say in any testimony, although that was an error. Any testing more. Now you were close to 12,000. But if you look at what number of tests are here, it is 254,000.
Yes.
And what you say? I say I relax say because if you have about 3,000, no one testing more than 150,000. Now you are close to 12,000. No one testing 250.
When you look at the test infection rate, some other countries tested less and their figures were so high.
Okay.
What am I saying? We tested more. But when you look at the percentage wise now, the test to infection rate now, they never say that that's president any figures ever. You see. Until it's not right to say, can you say, you them sir. You see, when people take the protocols serious now, I am telling you, the disease will not be able to spread.
Okay.
You see, nose mask, we don't wear nose mask. I'm telling you,
No.
the area that I'm coming from, they don't wear nose mask.
But is it not more diabetic? The concentration in our wearing of nose masks.
Anything that is called social distance, they don't do it. They don't.
And how many people over there? No one
American children say at the time that when they were in lockdown, people were hiding to go to mosque and pray. What am I saying? What should not be so? Even the religion does not support that. As what did it?
And I'm already now.
And I'm going now. Ever, sister, ever. What am I saying? Look, say my.
First moment.
Say, medical doctor, any medical doctor, any meaning. Look, they have taken very good care of themselves, but the people around you may not take good care of themselves. The only here I am.
And also
this is why the seriousness of
no,
that is the point.
Now, right.
Into all of us must be responsible for our existence on earth.
Right. Sita Sedu, a communication team member for the NDC Ashanti region, and then deputy communication officer, Swami constituency. Sita Kwaba. Mohona Breman here ko bompa mamu esi ye no.
And as all the picture no kwa bones and am come.
Yes, esa man form to aba.
Headline I will read here, it was misleading. And let me clarify the whole thing.
I have personally listened to the chief.
Yes, and I was there. Okay, pictures now, and I have some of the pictures on my phone. We are very actual. And yes, my chief. He said, I'm the deputy communication officer of the constituency. So whatever goes on in the constituency out around, now we will get it. It's not like said, remind me, sorry, if you're open or call. I see so I have my NDC 28th anniversary. Then, as a party, any parliamentary candidate, Honorable Francis Doe, any acting chairman, Ziba, any some other executives, the chance na again on he said no. We are a bomb I am a party. Do I not say yes, we are or him, no, or what for my also be near your portable, and the assam opportunity, so I've been sure the my name I bought about my name for. You seek the mission for him, and of course, I am brown that will be your boy. So what's not say? If you are starting to know or the palace or bonfire my and
Mamine Kotakrade Emra, Mamine Kuntu Blanksen, Encoding Komo. So sad from the Secretary Krade Metropolitan Assembly. Oh, and I marry or no, it's me at one and one year. Kuntu, what's your kind of area, Emadio?
Yo, Nana, the matter of Josone, what's here for no more. Taking for you now.
And another tear, but boy, what news is saying?
Yo, Nana, if you had to me, and the number and in NCSA, Luya or Da Secondary Metropolitan Assembly, Honorable Kiki Sam, Wayana Media, na Assembly by no, na acquire the Hosempa, especially your war, Secondary Takadi, a fear consuming team, and so account. If you say, Yapa, now you'll be a Nana, the university to say, million no, in fact, okay, na Hokaka. Ne odo awoma mention no a e na said obie na kwan ma obi bia ba ne nche na na we ho se mi yi pa na e ba sa ni bisa se na e din e na ye sa na o che se busu mi mu no na o che di kan no nya ne che se e na kupie Legon Medical Center na enya ndi akoye na akoye ntitiye efise last month mu o e busu mi twe mu no and I just say workers need the secondary Takwade Metro. Our more COVID-19 be. Now, Kopie Muse, the driver, official driver, or Kwan and a Kono, Okonyebi. Into a bus, I don't know, or more mass testing, and my workers need now. Now, I'm saying they can buy any negative. Now, said the protocol, I say, the total menu. Nti ekire yeti se na kopie Legon Medical Center no na yin se COVID ni bi a yɛn nyinaa ne yɛbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ yɛ papa yi ne ho bɛtɔ no na ɔbɛka yɛn ho a sɛ mboa a wɔde bɔ sikedi takrade no ɔbɛkɔ n'anim na ne ba sɛ Friday yɛante asɛm papa nana watoa na yɛn nananom
mayo obi a na ɔyare ana mo no sɛ bi a wɔyɛ on and off dure bi a na ɔyare ana sɛ na mo a mo senator kwade mu so a very active person
nana die nim no am sɛ no yɛ no on sɛ before aban eba so MPP aban eba so no yɛ the regional secretary obi a no yɛ very active pa na yɛyɛ ni mayor no die nana emri biara no papa ebe ho no obɛtene nka efi sɛ no obi a sɛ yetu anamo efam puntu ekoso sekini takrade ha die no obi a emri biara no obehu no obɛtene nka so sɛ bio yare die obi ho anana sɛ enka no nto wa unim die but don't even cast a bit of yare bi wɔ no so a sɛ die official yɛ nyina yɛ nim dabi sɛ die emri biara ehu no nko adie e die nim sɛ na no ho ɔden because dan de nyina no okɔ office ɔbɛto no ɛba official occasion biara so a obehu no ɛwɔ aseɛ even kra no COVID-19 bae no em sɛ mmiri bi yɛ papa His Excellency ɛbɔ na ba so because hyehyɛ a ɔmo di gu hɔ a na yɛde bɔ yare ho ban no na ɛkɔ nim yie paa nti yare deɛ sɛ yare yɛ nim sɛ ɔwɔ yare bi dada deɛ ne yɛ nim ba sɛ onipa no a yɛ nim deɛ a ɛno deɛ yɛ ntumi nkyerɛ nana
alright kuntu yana ase na yɛma mo a mo wɔ takrade especially sekendi yɛma wibia no yakɔ sɛ twede ampɔn ɛbɛboa na afei de nim sɛ takrade foɔ ma tuturu makasa de foɔ ma ma so ɔden paa no ɔmo sɛ yare no wɔ hɔ nti sɛ deɛ
nana wo deɛ December ne sa deɛ ɛm sɛ si aba ne saa no deɛ nana ne deɛ wokɔ kurom wohu sɛ nipa dodoɔ no ara no ɛhyɛ mask no ebi sɛ first no nana ne nte saa ma so koraa ma ɛm sɛ last month mo yɛtu danim ɛm sɛ bɛtɔ dwa ma obi biara teyɛ sɛ last 2 weeks or last 3 weeks na yɛsan bi edwa no a yɛayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ sɛ de kɛyɛ tia no ɔma yɛ no a ebinom kɔ na ɛkyerɛ sɛ bi makɔ nti ɛnɛ deɛ yɛ nyɛ akyi sɛ papa yi yare yi bi de na kɔ no deɛ ɛmfa sɛ hu no abakɛseɛ yie a sɛdeɛ nka first no nkɔfo ntan mfi mask no ɛnɛ deɛ bohu sɛ obi biara no akɔda ɔpɛn mu na face mask no ɛhyɛ no ebi sɛ obi ebisa sɛ ei na deɛ na egu papa yi deɛ na egu papa yi na obi ahu sɛ o yɛte sɛ nti nana sɛ sɛ adama ehu no aba kakra sisia no obiara no ɛhyɛ mask no a yɛde bɔ yɛn ho ban efiri COVID-19 no
right Kunti Blanson yɛda ase abusua yɛne yɛni awura Kunti Blanson reporter ɛwɔ takrade ɛne kodi nkɔmmɔ once upon a time na His Excellency or address country no a na nipa akɔ bɔ ne din technology no bɔ na ba so sɛ waboa paa ama yɛ fight against this novel coronavirus no ɛyɛ late kekesa ɛne ɔno a yɛbɔ na ba so ɔyɛ adwuma no adwuma yi mu ano ɔnyɛ yare ne bi ama ɔtɔno no ɛwɔ nsia no it means that minomienu ɔsɛ yɛ very careful na yɛhwɛ hu yi sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛnkɔte yare no bi right sita good we are okay to be just a minute na afei yɛnkɔ coronavirus
I said if your dear poem was Nana and Naso, 18.
One year so NDC. What NDC parliamentary seat which I so happy.
So is it true?
And true and
a big deal. Even if it's true, a big deal.
The NDC in the common payment.
No crap pass is not there as an NDC chief or Bremai, or is there as a chief or Bremai.
No mayor, as a man mayor. No, just answer that question. You need time.
Nana, made it on big Ghana, no more Ghana, and I buy a baby for maybe I'm couldn't be said if I can have Nana,
that's one Mahama.
I was there. Me representing 24/7. Was I there? Didn't you sign? I mean, Nana, church in that coach in my.
Wabompaya Mama Hama. Ghana nyinaa. Okay.
Which me wo ho. And I have
Mama Hamadin.
Wa Muhammadi.
Omo ndisidi.
Muhammadi. Muhammadi obo akufo di. Obo Kufodi. Obo Rollins di. Obo Atanos di.
Okay. Have you ever COVID-19?
COVID-19. It's me bana o ka se me ti o le chama na chama pe se o try so I was a chama or health.
Yeah.
You know, I was suspected.
He's part of the team.
He's part of the team. I was suspected to say chama be KT. Ati for na shafo yi. But chama ended up doing the same rhetoric and rehash of old stories that the president of the kind of run the same thing that chama it's of no it's in my friend Yaremi novel coronavirus because something novel is something I maybe is serious and then say you ever catch it Timon say it has come to stay so we should know how to live with it and cooperate the most dangerous commentary to come out of the office of the government say or catch it and then Muslim big universities common sense should tell you say so person will be school and man kola no kwa who could indicate school more fine it's understandable obi anka se man indicate na nipa na de yare no ko school more na say school na de yare no man nipa
Oh, but one teacher and say na University of Ghana Professor Guru ka say bed pass kwa be school aba
one of the buy
so at least fumigating the idea schools look
the government should have been thinking about now and say they should have been a mandatory testing.
Okay.
We say
for all final years
students because they are from different backgrounds and a different environment. Any baby almost it's winning baby the family he belongs to whether so trace of any coronavirus it's more or less like you have done nothing because people are sad about sad ya remember on them plan be on the dining on be dine back on be corporate on be gary back saying that you have been into the secondary school before our system is here irrespective of the protocol side they you still see them mingling together.
So you who are advocating for mass testing?
Mass testing. Who tested me? Then now there, who say what tested positive no? Then you isolate the person from mobile.
Okay.
Yes, more tested negative no. Now more I'm a more follow some protocols. So they bear even what say I didn't be every baby. You see, teachers, their life is at risk because you see what the teachers are going to do. On my say frontline health workers because they are coming face to face with students. Students no company don't know where they are coming from. Only their students no where they every back on any bad contact on any or have a trend idea and no see what is government doing. Say that teacher should in case of any teacher who contract this kind of disease in his line of duty because given a government here I'm a teacher. Nothing. The only thing government is interested in elections and not the lives of the ordinary guy.
Why do you say so?
I'm building a point. What was the essence of the lockdown? The lockdown, as at the time I have 137 cases and I health facility administrators in GMA who advised the government said he should lock down some part of the country, Greater Accra, Greater Kumasi.
No, Omokra they na uti
now they were
recommendation was
total lockdown.
Yes.
Because they saw say the way now they don't see air travel no say I repeat by the blink of an eye I didn't meet my day. Actually, it's a hell of my move. And that is what we are witnessing today. Yeah, for a 137. And then yeah left lockdown a 1,084. And then what your numbers no say almost
11,900 information Mr. Nyaka said some of them no. When it's not the best because be a panocrano, it may not be able.
I like the way you
Yes, it's not the best, but
meaning you are not even siding with the government.
Sure, why not?
It's just because any the best practice. Nippon they will not test it positive. The only thing you have to do as a government is pragmatic measures. Just isolate the person from the government. Panocro center, they have money treatment. Money, a man son, money, money, now all spread out here. It's in a mass say you case count to a cost room. Not the Jamaica say, Nippon baby is symptomatic. Yes. Now, but more testing your moon say we are asymptomatic. What have you done about that person? Most of Jaini Pan, people, our community, almost spread the area. There are some deaths which is attributed to coronavirus, but families they are afraid to come out and say it.
Health Minister Diano, what happened? Because
Health Minister Diano, who said government is playing with figures, and the government all along is lying to Ghanaians. And the last time I was here, I was telling you, say this kind of fight strike mostly on information. How will be some information? And if a man say and government information will say yeah, but this is the case. Say you give this one and the president come and give another. As at the time, and the president announced 11,994. Now 64. Not GS and
Ghana Health Service. GHS. Ghana Health Service.
On website, 11,400
yeah.
Something. So which is which?
Why was the president keeping the? Why was the health ministry keeping such information on the president? Meanwhile, he was
even out saying someone relaxing.
Why was the Ghana Health Service keeping some of the
health minister?
Please.
Are you now the?
Please.
See, Ghana Health Service as an institution, we don't massage figures. He are not government. I think some back where I was saying, the Biami Kanu. When none until Asamba na actually. Yeah, any institutions, government institutions, people say, and yet you Emma. Now, I'm buying parties come and parties go. Those particular institutions remain there as government institutions. It is not in the interest of Ghana Health Service to massage figures and to keep figures and wait to release to favor any government.
Okay.
What do I say? Young Kai said, the whole of Ghana Health Service won't make us of United and us of United. We should run away from lambasting institutions.
But as a president, the Casabiana, before president, the Casabiano, anything with Casabiano, Yariano, figure or no, the Casa, maybe the Camu. And yes, separate the Becasama, a Yawana, and I say a one under.
You see?
So it means that you give it to the president.
Yeah, that's the human institution, right? Who I will say, all the time now, President Okasabiano, it has not happened like that of yesterday.
The previous one, it happened.
Previous one, the same thing.
The 10th one, it happened. The 9th one, it happened. And then now,
it's the same thing. They follow the same trajectory.
The director of Ghana Health Service, and then the director of Public Health Service, Ghana Health Service. There is one there's one single aspect of institutional multiacy. Manage information internet update. What am I saying? You don't blame the experts when they are advising the government on the figures, and then the staff who is updated. Who can say, me I can me by radio, and I was condemning the way that particular graph that we were using. I was even saying, we should use that graph. what do I say? That one is
That not flattening. No, he said there is a book cry.
Okay. So you see, it's a personal or let's say an institutional decision that they have taken.
Tama, what's our pick?
Okay.
Right. So has Lupi on Kumo TV. For the Zebra, I always been near 0543596070 0543596070. WhatsApp message with the by Binyamre. Nyake kan etumi at the amount. Shedding society arena bano. So we are sorry. Muslim could be a mosque. And as a institution biano na a yimpo na we need pardon bawa. Ubenya say ubenya de fene thermometer ga. We and I bet the pano emaso. Na the very ready amount the temperature no so 33 above 37 I say how be aba. Uni we be a untimi nya sorry untimi ko mosque. I don't see and kuma TV yakofa we be at the weighing approved ones by Food and Drugs Authority FDA approve and I get the borders of from Ghana there so far we can boast and say yeah dear no and a border from we say yeah didn't walk our hair and see any day more obey me our phone na always clean numbers because so or their friend na avi yen new ninkomo na ye pebi entimi emfa emma we so face cell we no na asofofo no ene momo toto no mo use no we obetumi use no several times obetumi use na afi etumi abo apa sanso ena ye wo surgical nose mask no ebi ye checha manu cha no eno so bi o ha ebo no fom pa nti ebi ana opebi ato amanfo edi twaw omode anso be fra homa no a egu screen so no 0244 10 81 97 0244 10 81 97 ofra ebomode na etimi ebiawo bia no across the country and beyond ebebro now so what me enya bi ayisu amanabwa right yen twa homra yes just a brief now young ko is
okay sama president kase Africa you have tested more than any other and I would say that it was an error. It wasn't an error. The president lied. And a president tried because information I be they cross-check it before coming out to come and tell Ghanaians. If you can't tell me say it's an error, I'm cross-check it. Don't we yet comparative by you? Then check African countries dealing now and some of them out to. Into the country now after you have been exposed. Now person massage you man now money. Polish woman says an error. It's not an error. They lied. Mama got a boom. And I say I will vote one here about. This government is not interested in the lives of the ordinary Ghanaian. Any mama won't go school. The government very interested any elections, any new register. It's in there is an agenda, and that agenda they say the which one starting from we have a gold of a track. One say from 2 and from 3, and the agenda is most of them are 18 years and above.
Oh, then the green track for name.
I'm telling you.
So was if you want to
I know what I'm talking about. And Chamayusa would mean say
agenda
the agenda and they say the Kolani Nepa school. At the time no swan. No mama more the opportunity to register.
But when the kids are at home, when they are at home, can't they register?
Parents not allow more because then their lives are at risk.
So the parents themselves don't register.
Parents they papa Omaka. Now only the parents they papa are protesting this. I said
right, I was at the chair home last year. You got to associate so say Asubi Swaro here, Silupi on Kumo. You ever see a bar? You got to us. Yensan ever hefa kwaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood TV. You go so din come for Chebra 0543 596 070. WhatsApp Ninyam Rekin Kai Emfa Emma OPK Goso Osanado has shown good leadership in the fight against COVID-19. So let's adhere to all measures. And the NDC don't have a message. Running mates and are confused. 6 months prior to elections. Where is your running mate? Regards to Honorable Martin Eji Mensah Kosa, incoming member of Parliament for Hetman South constituency OPK. And anyway, Sami Wache Asaman Kesi, I'm wondering, and I want somebody to tell me why Mahama didn't make any comment about the Airbus scandal. Is it not Mahama who told us if campaign is about infrastructure, you are mediocrity? And in any case, did he use his own money to do these things? Okay, I don't know the other about now. Teacher Kuju Tepa Yinasiso, also Dr. Kweku Ajima Menu is a great patriot, and his compatriot will never forget his dedication and service to the country. Spirit recovery, Mr. Minister of Health, we are grateful to your service to Ghana and country. He deserves 4 more years to do more. Regards to Honorable S.K. Nuyama Kwadaso. Right. And I said, Health Minister, no say or rest credit. Well, the President say Oyari. COVID-19. We wish him speedy recovery. From Masaudu in Bantima, let's do well to observe the enhanced hygiene protocols as directed by His Excellency the President. This too shall pass. COVID-19 is real. Regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng, DC Jacobu. Nana Ama Nyamichre Mianso. Wow. Also right. So Mike, watching your show, please tell the NPP man they should be careful. If not, all our kids will die. Who will then lead after them? And also the Robbie Fashion, they so near Golden Hotel. COVID-19 has no respect for any mankind, whether poor or rich, NDC or NPP. So let's observe the safety protocol directed by the President Nana Addo, because COVID-19 is real disease. Regards to Honorable Hilda Addo, incoming Kwadaso MP and lawyer John Kuma. Hilda Addo, the way they feel Kwadaso won't come with you. Okay. If you are not right. Yeah, Ninkomo and somewhere the Electoral Commissioner boss, Mame Jane Mensah and the Kotuja, TUC Public Forum, Amuya Nano Fiada, say about 1 million Ghanaians some time ago. I say no, but their names are still in the voter register. And until here pass be you to me in credible elections and many more. You talk about the machines, automatic machines and others. You come on the that of the you say easy and now and this press conference I'm here say 86 out of 731 promises no be
yes, Pastor.
Yes, indeed.
So right.
Good.
The EC, led by Jim Mensah and the bossman Asari, among disorderly, illogical, and unintelligent explanation be of the man. It only makes sense of me. I need an MPP for. Say over the country, say, and 1 million dead people, voter registered.
Mamene, the national organizer for the NDC, Joshua Akamba. Akamba, Atiaka, and Madame Reba Kumu TV episode.
Joshua Charity, I said, now Obi or line.
Now NDC, Nana Ekasa. Yes.
And one
radio communication team member, or Sita Sidu.
Kata said, Manomo, Nejuma.
Okay, what? But Joe, first of all, and then now we say how many promises na MPP make here?
Me, I understand communications officer now is dealing with that issue.
Okay.
I understand who friend me where we.
Yeah, and you share the electoral commission.
Okay, issues of the electoral commission.
Sure.
Any His Excellency President Mahama comments he was supposed to have made. So I want us to stick to that. Okay. Now, me and our communications officer, I think he's doing so well, and I wouldn't want to dilute into what he's already doing. The good work he's already doing. So let's focus on what he's not talking about, and let's do that.
Then, easy, Mami Jane Mensah say the surest way of delivering a free, transparent, and credible elections is to compile a new voter register. That is 1. 2. Fingerprints on the old biometric system were poorly done, and that could cause electoral hindrances. What is what kind? What are you saying?
I'm saying, ma describe some minister or if and President Akufo-Addo Adam. The entire Mekasana, I've been saying that for the past 2-3 weeks. The entire Mekasana, when you say, na anka yenina yeti paradise and Nyami ebisa Adam say Adam then and now person be amount and Adam ka as aka onu kwa nti onyaya anka oba bi ebe ka no ana obi be ka no ho and em say Nyame bo if ya die ene amene okan ene ni paradise bi mu you see uwa judgment say you hell. Exactly what the woman is looking for. The woman is bent on destroying this country and making sure that this country can never be together after her tenure as election commissioner. But I can assure her the Ghanaians are peace-loving people, and with whatever intention Sam Amiwo will be defeated, and God will speak. The hand of God will speak. Minya, Mami is so unbelievable a liar, a big liar that I've never seen. I doubt if she knows the face of God or she seeks the face of God. DNT and Mami Kasa. Okay, sir. Mami I am appointing the EC commissioner. And I'll go referendum. You're creating new regions. And now I catch you in the episode say, "It's one of course saying, or see me."
Hello.
Okay, sir. No elections. Mommy, even any I was work by elections. I don't know elected. Mommy, now I'm going to say a bloody empty. But that's how she was described. Oh, Nikurumia. And I have a poem over to my what a tree. Until I was so spoken. And no more, and a mammy, I declare results. And my mammy, they are empty.
Hello? Hello? Well, Joshua Akamba, national organizer for the NDC, and AD and Como. I think that the line on drop here, but Mammy all refer no Lydia Serum Hassan or no, and I was a West Bugon member of Parliament as we speak. Was one Serum Hassan. To us, Mammy. me say juice was samba on say akaba pacho to asma na oda roma hello hello hello
so my say the major thing dey na say a processor just obia wo from bia no you have to pass through that process getting to the latter part of it and suddenly say ayina amount then you place your hand on the machine no idea now I can verify
that is one reason another reason is fingerprint as if fingerprint no poorly done
this easy and I'm a kind they are just making mockery of common sense they haven't tell them on the catch say or baby registration or say facial recognition the CI 126 no the quarter parliament I'm mature. Ask yourself, have you read the CI in its totality? There's nowhere in the CI that capture that facial recognition. Another palpable lie. And come on, a pilot, it didn't come in. And the same process I did we know, and the same process I did or the baby we and can you come for more or less it looks like a black and white eye. Mommy, Nasun Yayeti and baby are all working upon she's working us to the part of chaos and anarchy. And an anime by a mechanic. In everything you do, precedence, any history must guide you. Now, who say I didn't make short time in now, even in ECOWAS and Mrabukapuno, 6 months to elections, Utimikapu and yet new register. This is the case, and we have only 5 months to elections, and this woman wants to compile a new register, and you see no less a party than MPP being the spokesperson and the mouthpiece of the EC. Speaking for them, the EC they will be defending the EC. One, timing, MY. 2, climate is not favorable. Mamika timing, no, I'm about climate. Yes, I'm not going to say they are not building argument with me. Nobody is against say the papa, but I didn't papa no. Say if the thing is not broken, you fix it.
But on your commission, no, there are problems in the existing one.
Natama or yeah or 2 about no assemblyman and unit committee members about do you know how so how security the current system 99.6%. And today you have done what can you tell 360 about the catcher said that system at first whose argument is disjointed and so incoherent to the extent say one place. First they told us that almost system electronic system. Nekacho said you can just buy new one and fix it. Now I
was it the IT expert advice was buying a new one would be better than trying to work on an existing one.
When was the last time what to say? Yes, I did. Say all repair boy day change say where the water for sometimes they are just on a mechanic. I say they have the backing of appointing authorities and appointing authorities they are just doing everything possible for their re-elections which Ghanaians fight again because we registered they would need 40 days. 40 days like almost started on the 30th of June and yes 30th of this month.
Yeah,
let's start it. 40 days now it will go to August 10. And after that you need 2 weeks for say obey decoupling and then back and some corporate we have 2 weeks maybe and some you need 1 month.
So you want to tell me he's aware of all these things?
Missy is aware but their belligerent posture is what is killing this nation and some of them say Africania for or more issue statement.
Sure.
And the statement no issue go and read that statement.
I read it. They talk about timing. They talk of some of their members not having the
access to the NHI card and the passport.
But I don't know. Somebody will be between guaranteed.
And your common sense car. Say where Adiana will say who do away with no. And no yet. The last time I was here, I was asking you a very simple question. Mister, what was your breeder document when you were going for passport? NHI.
first one I'm Hamra.
Identity the man who exclude Benson from this current new register. Now also exclude the current existing voters ID card from the system. What system? Credible. Wow outfit. About the catch and say
for the Zebra on 0543-596-070 0543-596-070. What's a Fabra Ninyambre? Chairman, reading what Jane Mensah can here, public forum national, I was a bit confused because I can say about 1 million people, there people don't vote, you know. Again, say will be able to new register there. Then almost every election there will be a register because people, even this one, do they have a case as easy to compile a new register? Per the current explanations are the minister there. Does it sound convincing to you?
So thank you very much. I think okay, my communication director just said that.
Okay.
Given the show, more than 40% of your time is going to register.
That's what Kwasi is saying.
He has spoken more,
okay,
and then also somebody called in and also taken more. So if that is the case, at least wait a minute. If that is the case, give me some time to explain this. And I'm going to explain them one after the other. I'll measure the snapping. Number one, I am very disappointed that Akamba is the NDC's national office. I'm very
You are insulting me.
I'm not insulting you. Can you allow me to talk? When you were talking, when you were talking, I was here.
Please.
You leave your body there and come and
also, are you disappointed?
No,
I said no. I'm disappointed.
He's disappointed. Says somebody like that person also no. I don't know you are perfect, but that person might be more.
Okay, so keep your comments, write them down. Mintil.
There are certain comments you don't make it on my TV. Very derogatory.
I repeat, I am very disappointed that Akamba is the national NDC national organization. I will say it here, and I will say it in presence of Akamba, and say it anywhere.
Even John Ward is your secretary.
Please, can you allow me to have this, please?
You see, this is typical of NDC, but I am not going to be disruptive. I am going to line up and let Ghanaians know that NDC, they don't have business wanting to be government in this country. Number one, I said I'm very disappointed in the gentleman. Why did I say so? You see, he came on national television and then called somebody the city president names. You did not see anything wrong with that. But I am disappointed in him being a position holder in your party and you are granted. Let's put that one aside. Let me tell you, check Ghana well. In 2016, Charlotte Kose admitted when the British commissioner says that the voters register was bloated by 1.3.
The original organizer for the NPP, Francis Adumakon. Francois Temenka, Memoajoba Sinupisu of Kumaru TV. Hello, Francois. Hello.
Right. Check Ghana well. And this 1.3 million bloated was said in 2016. You see? And then second and thirdly, what I want to correct also is that Madam Jane Mensah never said because there are 1 million people that are dead voters. That is
so
that's one of the reasons she gave. Okay, I'm in Francois in Ninkomo Emra. Francois, the regional organizer, Ashanti Region, NPP. Francois, what's in Ghana? Memoajoba Sinupisu on Kumaru TV. Francois, what's in Ghana? Wow. Hello, Francois.
Now, she didn't say that.
Hello.
She didn't say that the dead
1 million people that are on the register was a main reason why of wanting to do
one of the reasons. One.
Which must say. So now, let nobody sit anywhere and think that by saying dead men don't vote, and therefore as a result of that, we shouldn't do new voters register. I am telling you, Sir Mike, and you know very well that in this country, if the EC should have announced that she's taking off 1 million people who are in the register and they are dead persons, you would have seen what NDC would do.
No, but you know them. If you know somebody is dead, how can the person vote?
NDC goes to court.
Tama will be a woman not about.
They say in Kamamino say they are going to expunge 1 million people from the register. And oh my brother, I was here when you were talking. Can't you be gentle for once?
Tama, you know me.
Before you arrived, I had praised you that you are a brother, and you come and sit down here and behave like
right. Mami said, yes, tell me about you. I mean, Mr. Francois. I think for the last time. Francois, what's your car?
Yeah, I mean, let's move on.
I don't boko. Say, also what your party?
Oh, you should have madam.
Good. And I would say in some way, Mami said, James Akan here. Say, new register there is a must because old one no. And again, fingerprint crowns were for the old one. No, it was poorly done. What is the information we?
Hello.
What did the men's response over there in an attempt to compile new register?
But what's wrong from the community?
Wow. Well, you say in it, France at Marco ever heard now. But I don't know if I say, James, that's why a new voter register. Just a meeting with the TUC. What the reasons are back? What are the reasons? Maybe Akan.
Also, obey new voter register.
Yes.
I think we'll be at so a 30th of this month. You know, voter register.
Now, I can say one. Some of the reasons, no. NTIA for this. The old one, you have about 1 million people are again, the fingerprinter you see here for the old one was poorly done. What are they doing as a regional organizer of the party? I don't know.
No, hello?
It's your
in share your regional minister and regional chairman, regional executives, constituency executives, polling stations, for whom say the Adma, remember the Quaco, the premise, Nanki Chosoki, and 22 of April. Within COVID-19, and Mamaso, which you know, let's just say, and I would say, and comfort here at various electoral areas. Now, should the be you know, you can go with the United Front, which in Malaysia, they are made to party for any moment. Let us know what can be FR. What can be FR, the mention or my register here or compile new voters register.
Yeah.
Now, I think there are a lot of reasons why we see person of company new voter register. My friend me in see idea back so say we say nipa there 1 million we will vote register more on my day. There are so many reasons. Other career prior to this idea of compiling a new register. Now already no case with regard to Abu Ramadan at the Supreme Court. So it was here we perform national health insurance card actually I know after this president now and some former EC chairpersons and make Salato say make Amadou Sulu make all the various anomalies also with regards to yes can we could so voters will register maybe other justice the day other can Ghana for the home so no more use illegal cars and you register if you say what day anyway.
Well, I'm saying, Francois, our man, so now what's the move on new voter register compilation. Fabian Sheba on 0543596070. WhatsApp, Enyam Ranking Kind Emfa Emao. Please, I'm Godwin Afisi from Takwa in the Western region, and I think that president shouldn't reopen schools for the final years because our figures are going up and up, and for that matter, the president needs to wait for a while because of the rising figures. Thanks for your good work, and you keep it up. Okay, Godwin, yeah, that's it. Please ask Sita for me, what phone is he using now? Why is he not using his old phone Nokia 3310 now? Change in technology. Well, we chairman Ernest Nadeba. Okay, Francois, I don't want to transfer me. How many idea? How much? Okay, well, your line is not high, and the moment you fact cross, Nisi, I'm on Fancher. Chairman, transfer me.
Thank you very much. Okay, yeah. Number year time. Number year. Now, you are not the moderator. Niana Francois Okache said, it is not because of the 1 million dead persons that are in the register. That is what the EC wants to do. No. And now, Minya Sita Okasano, now I see electoral commissioner, now I see MPP, the position has been inconsistent. The person we can assist you yourself. MPP's position has been the most consistent. Has been the most consistent in this country. From we were in the opposition, we demanded for a new voters register because the one that was compiled by them was bloated, and they agree as we speak today that is bloated. NDC as a party agree. The only difference from our request is that yes, and yes, I'm not trying to say that. So I'm coming. You see the point? NDC has not disagreed anywhere said these voters register not bloated. They have agreed that the voters register is bloated. No, we should. Yes, electoral commissioner or core market. Okay, say, yes, no, a better say, you took for a better say. From the first point of argument, NDC fell flat. Because Maninu ever you are seeing now say, and I think it's an open market. You can Google it. It's 3,000 for the repairs and 3,000 for new one. So why would you go in for new one? That has extra modern softwares in it, including facial verification. What am I saying? So the woman flagged them there on the cost issue, and then they come to timing. The woman flagged them on the timing because timing, most of it are constitutional. When you look at it, the woman has a lot of time to do it. But the current constitutional, who the fact who said time emrana ye can you nara? My is in all your alien say. Essentially, that of a sort starting from the earlier in April. Durations be one man, or may no one can crack as a way. Look, we are talking technology, and he's sitting there and saying that you need 2 weeks to do decoupling. 1 click can do decoupling.
But Chairman, so we are in a rush. Why we are creating a lot of problems?
It's not in a rush. It's a systematic. A, now your copy. A doesn't need 1 year to be done. A needs only a year to be done. EC was only doing that a given time because there was time to relax. Now there's no time, and she has not gone anything against them, and she shared her constitution with any man. They will do this new voters register and exhibit it. Until I'm saying you were one of and almost I jumping from that place and they are not COVID-19. Unfortunately, on their part, COVID-19, a lot of countries have come around to do election this year. A lot of countries have come around to work whilst COVID-19 is still with them. We can copy, we can modernize, we can imitate them and be able to do. What was here? The only thing is observing the social distances. Easy editing the program. If you look at the program, in fact, even Koreans now wear election earlier. They said the EC's when I modify is excellent. It's a modification from their own year.
Reasons are easily is it convincing? Fingerprints on the old biometric system were poorly done.
The EC has come in to give you. Have you ever heard this one? This very one. Since EC started new.
How did they come by this?
Oh, sit down. You see, you are a brother. I am very sad.
Right, from Masaudu Bantima, we need the security agencies to enforce compliance with people not putting on nose mask and social distancing protocols, else the entire country will be infected with this deadly virus. COVID-19 is real. Regards to Jacobu DC on Abu Asamoah. Okay.
Yanka Emagana for the stigmatization it can lead to high numbers because stigmatization now obi wo coronavirus now or the best or the Siena will infect more people with Pachopi NEC. They have to be a responsible opposition party. Look, prime ministers have got this disease on earth. Kings and queens have got this disease on earth. Sir, health minister in your arena, why are you in the market jubilating? Why is it because of the jubilating? Oh, see, allow me to play.
Sky, you are not making my show move on. Please,
you see, I work at the health sector, and this is one thing that has worried us for a long time and still worries us. Stigmatization. I'm telling you, if we do not stop this stigmatization, it will kill all of us.
Okay. Good evening, Mr. Mike. I'm joining your show. Please tell the MPP man, is he convinced with what the EC said? Ask him again. Answer.
Very convinced.
You are convinced?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we have our own reasons, even before EC's reasons. So I can speak to our reasons. And our reasons are home. 1, the voters register is bloated. 2, there are inconsistencies in the voters register. 3, we have foreigners in the voters register. 4, I can give you 12. We have them.
Foreigners
are in the voters register presently.
Okay.
I showed it here the last time. I will show it again. If your camera can get it for the people to see. Over 50 people. The other time I showed 4. Now 50 people. 50 names are in Togo register. And those same 50 are in our register. Why should we have an ECOWAS register for Ghana?
Charles Mensah right from Asankegwa. If they don't trust the old register, why were they making noise that the president won over 1 billion votes? Don't they think those 1 million are foreigners? Farouk Tema, fellow Ghanaians, the spirit of our forefathers and future generations will never forgive us if we succumb to COVID-19 virus today. Life must go on, but with caution and safety protocols observed. Let's support President to build future Ghana today. EC stay focused and deliver to us. Okay. These are the foreigners now.
Yes.
Omunye Ghana for.
The fact is say they are not
about 26.
Yes.
Am I wine?
Omuna to Obama NDC.
We move
to watch the names.
The names are what? Mention one of the names and let me hear.
Okay. Now the first.
Just give me one of the names.
Okay. The first name is Yabila
what you mean?
Wait a minute. Me say, you were asking these people who they voted for.
And that's what
I was not saying because of their names.
That's what he said.
No, you said you want a name so that you'll be sure that it's a voter's ID.
And so these people are not Ghanaian, they voted for NDC.
Yes!
Okay. See,
they are not Ghanaians. Formula, Ajovi. You see, these are in the Togo register and it's in Ghana's register.
Okay.
How can you have a register like that? Okay. This is a West African register.
So you go for my name is phone line into 02006036.
If your camera can capture it,
wait to me after whilst we are discussing this.
Just said I give you the kind of year we here. Mr. Upushino, I feel the officer rewriting the story now. No, I can't. One, these names are all kicking down.
And you're not correct.
Forget them.
But is it not true, sir? You're foreigners.
It's never true. It's never true.
These
names, Dr. Baumia in 2016, Eko Gina Alisa Hotel, a press conference on this. BCRAC CRAP committee, he was called to come and verify, to come and tell the committee about this names. He couldn't appear. And come and sit and telling this kind of false. Where out of those old stories now back.
But it's never going to me so and can say you register no. You nya foreign bia wo.
Who now will say yes he who alleges must prove. And I will say who alleges say we omo foreigners omo otobu. And I see at committee come before the committee. Now be present na chere the reasoning. Any baby akonya so 2 years. One team amba. Secondly, chairman here or say me national organizer afraid president Adam it is an insult. So you have the opportunity to insult.
Mami Komra, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, we have a cassette for your
make a free a year. Okofu.
Yentio.
Mechia Sir Mike, what do I beg for? Menchia Cashier, a comma, a year, chairman. She can do on kind of things when you mention the Metese, NDC for one say. So, one fee says, one register the same way you know, in here. Men Kabaya made the pass through her. That you will chairman can say, woman call register. Woman china fee. May you call register. Yenya FCC the Behuno Shebi Yadi answer. At that time, and I'm Yadi in Tiliaco register. No Yadi and she a bank. Yadi and she a jum. Shawasha, what's one more life in Namo? I to say, I Opia, Akada opportunity, when one share, the money be opportunity, a couple of graduate BBS. One problem to show more in Nano. A year of flat bearer. Your mama and a young problem, and don't cheat. That will be a Casa, no cancer, shabby, you need me. And you know, the Amma only yet, teaching him now, say. One president in Ancasano. There were no Ancasano, so may you woman.
Okay, Yanasi and 40. Good evening.
Good evening, I'm going to go.
I already had them on your pa.
How this your copy?
Round of minty on your ring.
No, Minia, and this now or Lami. What can you perform? But you say, I'm to secure there. I am drop in the chapter down here. Million Kenya, MPP needs one more or Catholic. You need so much. That's almost said Ghana for. And you need this one now. Canada Commission, and our cafe. Nipa ni omi na beto aba wa nkata kuna Ghana ha na say oba ade ebo oman don we dey we a o ti so rekoto aba na ni yeye na so obi so rekoto aba ye ni se mi ya ni se omanpani otufu ado eni sa na we say we ya na e bi ne betre ko yai so enti yan kan kan se ofa kotu kwan ana se ebien ana obi be dey ko nya no oh mo ti kan se ni sa yen no Ghana for e ka setia
Right. Hello, good evening.
Fine, okay.
Ready Adumboko. One is our camera in the other.
I will have it.
When you do that, as free. Hello?
Hello?
We need a casa free, ain't you?
Good evening.
Yeah. Nyame Adumboko.
Hello?
Abani Ethiopia. Wow, Ofra.
I'm going to Libya.
Libya, ain't you? Why?
I'm going to Libya.
Ain't you?
I just got a time to perform a job. Oh, and this is what I took on a little. But now I'm looking to do it. And I will do something. That was it. That what you are working. And any German culture, I was away with a rather. But no matter what I'm saying, when they do a matter of our own way for the meeting. What is it? I used to go, 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 just the people that them can have one papa. Who don't listen? That's what about you got so that they're gonna come back. If you go out, not into also I in America. The whole Africa,
Right. You're Libya first. I'm more friend. Mama Manus Nakama. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
good evening, Thomas.
Yeah, Dr. Penny.
Dr. Penny.
Oh, Dr. Penny too.
Thomas, who is a WR NDC for a Pekka Center or more NDC Pegana ye. Ubasha, and no, if you are good to Mr. Bosa. Abia on a boom Takabeka, no, good to Mr. Good watching, and which one was the confirm to do a parliament. Because of that, no party easy law, some way be Katasumu, so your party is so about one thing. But you have the country and for say, and this is one pay for, then a year and no more general. Sabi baby a female, it's no could do 12,000. No big or big selfish interest, but some Kuna, Miss Kaka Krabakon for Botomti, can try a second of what with their Beoka Nibia.
Wow. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello. The volume set of your TV link from the intro. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. But my TV volume link from the intro. Okay. Mr. Follow here. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. We need a free.
The Paja Bonana from Kazapu Market.
Nana Intio.
So I'm not TV with a Monaco from Kora. A friend and up on Kazapu Market.
Nana Intio.
The American say, I'm a best for MBG for Kata, almost a Ghana for Nakata. But MBG for Kata, almost MBG for Nakata. The MBG for Mr. to go for I'm a man, I be on Catan the Yamagana for no, one the church, one factory, one positions, $1 million, no. I'm not a Ghana for the shop. And yet, I better commission for some way you book. One country of another good for one kind of currency of Ghana, the one the church $1 million, non Pamaway, and
right. Yeah, that's Nana. Hello, good evening.
hello,
Good evening.
if I mean,
Yeah, I was afraid free until.
but on the first Libya, but I didn't person the Canvasam in Unupe.
Okay.
Easy now, easy now, and about 1 million dead no, register no more. Say, any fund 1 million dead no, about the little free. At the end of the day, say, I am voting now, no one the parameter now, not that I'm no one is
Okay. I think you said 2 issues. Okay. M40. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Yentio, didn't make us free.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
The back of the
Okay.
Mr. William. We are very like send you about the kind of how Papa could you imagine? The fact that I see a person in our money, that's a camera. Said to the Maya, I didn't just pay us my issue. That will help me say I really now I say young people and all of us in our money MPP communicated this actively communicated on 10 news mass and how you don't hear for so the thing I'm about to tell you I bet you to stop about the member in the Tomayan yet demand for so in trade. Maybe I think all candidates know what the neighbor is so far, and then it's true or losing what it is. You know, credibility out of my way.
Okay. Yanasi. Good evening. Hello. Yes. No, yeah, into opening. Right. Hello. Good evening. Good evening, free. Hello. Well, hello. Good evening. Good evening. Well, I think we team can more fra na o the volume of TV na perform na what you ho phone better on kai pa emphasize emphama Mohis Herbal Center Dr. Mohammed Isa Abio. Okay, good evening. Alaji Banda Axim.
Hello.
Alaji Banda Axim ana.
Hello.
Hello Alaji.
Hello.
Yentio.
Hello.
Hello Alaji yatonka.
The end is what you know here, no yet. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alaji Yentio.
The end is what you know here.
Right.
The used to go. I don't know. It's doing your idea.
Right, yes, I am a crabber and from Silupi on Kuma TV. They are sorry, so and now I say Mutimi Efra. In fact, Fra, they are saying, not one man the volume of a TV set now perform. Not what you who ever phone. Yes, I better Kapa Laji Banda Axim. A very good evening. Yachao Pane Axim for you. I mean, Shamo. Now, Shelley song say, PP is no, if you are happy, now a bonus of phone power be our free Fribiano. So we libo we Axim we takwa we mankesimu we hohoi baby I will be an ebrobi a bonus of from pa you will face sale no I don't need this it no we be ha so na ye wo nose mask no so e bi ho ye wo hand sanitizers na e bi ha a bonus of from pa send so say obefre 024410 8197 024410 8197 and 0244 427270 0244 427270 ofreya ebejo so na fe no be obi ano yetumi ama obi dem fanchia emma Samira we level 300 student or KNUST from a producer Bernard Ade also watch out by na nyure ye rapport tamam ye ko ne kra just 30 seconds
30 seconds go we patch in ma mingi o college no ba kun ka san se ka sadia ke si register ni register koya na yi na na akoko ni on sifo samidie ni ba
okay
ni on kai who said adam ni if by na omu share news and na omu ye na omu ye na let na we know here the time leaves na share ni na aba na share it to na say it na it doesn't mean says I didn't hear no that is what we were having. And we use that, and today we have seen the light and we moved on. Young Kase, Abrahama,
good.
No, it doesn't work like that.
Right.
People should wake up.
Did I see? Yes, see that.
Chama Kase, you are not being I said, Chama said,
30 seconds.
National Chama President Adam.
Organizer, national organizer.
National organizer, sorry. It's Krumwa. Morona
say Sida Sedu a regional communication team member for the NDC, and then Inisa Sedu a Ashanti regional communication team member for the NPP and regional coordinator Hefra and Mote Nkanashani so say nose mask, thermometer gun, face shield and a so no sanitizers and sensors nina no you will be a year ton one of from pa ofre ibenya biama 024410 8197 frey na yemro bi 8 min to medin e Michael Nana Adumakon Bernard Ade me producer director Samuel Kwabena Dakon Sam Dakus me cameraman Kobe Frank MCR Loretta and Afin so Augustina na me ya dumo china e be sensia